Hello! Thanks for connecting with a youth worker from the Cardiff Youth Service. Did you know there is a deaf youth club in Cardiff? To get more information, follow the link. You can contact youth workers if you need help or advice, but they are not always at work. If you need help now, you can chat online or text Mike for free, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Youth workers won't look at your Facebook profile, but if you tell them anything that can cause harm, they will need to report it. If you want to know more about how to be safe online, please check this link.